want to show you something. Look, look, look. I am standing on an elevated deck overlooking Trail Creek. There's a 3-foot treehouse, dog park, and so many other fun outdoor activities in this community. And I'm going to tell you the who, what, where, and why. Are you ready? Who? Well, people just like you. People who want to move into a brand new community, state-of-the-art technology. They want great schools, great homes, and there are a number of different price ranges. I mean, there is so much going on in this community. When? Well, you can move in as early as May. Why? Why not? You can get all of this and more wrapped up with a bow on top here at Treeline in Justin, Texas. There are 8 builders who can build your home ranging from under $400,000 to well over $700,000. We already toured 2 homes on 40-foot wide lots with rear entry garages. And if you haven't seen that video yet, you want to go back and watch it at some point. In fact, in the description, we'll have that link to go see that video later, not right now. On this tour, I'm showcasing 2 homes on 50-foot wide lots. These 2 builders have very different architectural design and styles, and I'm excited to share them with you. This is Pulte's largest floor plan, and this is also where I had, well, a little meeting of the minds with the clubhouse / treehouse. I can't wait for you to see that. Let's check it out. If you like this flooring, and it is nice, you can have it, but it's considered an option. And an option is another way of saying an upgrade. You can have all the options and upgrades you want. You'll just have to pay a little extra for them. Now, as a standard, in these high traffic areas like the foyer, the bathrooms, laundry rooms, kitchen, they come with tile. But if you like the way this looks, you can certainly have it. There is a lot to like or even love about the rhythm of these spaces, the way the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, they're all connected. Your kitchen will have 42 inches cabinetry with the crown molding. So that's a really nice touch. You'll also have granite countertops and choice edge profile. So that means, do you want that edge of your countertops, like that island, the bar, to be rounded, straight? They have a scalloped look. You have some choices there. And check out this really nice pantry. I mean, you can stock that with all kinds of snacks and other necessities. Oh, and you will also have Whirlpool Energy Star appliances. This is a really great living space overlooking a large backyard, and there's a surprise. Stick with me. At the end of the video, in that backyard, you're going to want to see. Now to what I describe as your hideaway, your beautiful primary suite with recessed ceiling and other details that make you feel as though you're in a luxurious retreat. Your primary bath has comfort height vanity, so they sit a little higher, and I would guess if you're taller than 5'4", you'll appreciate that extra height because you're not bending over as much. And they have the Silestone quartz countertops. Now look past the design options stored in this closet and appreciate the size of, your purses, your shoes, your clothing. So much storage in this closet, and there's a little surprise tucked away I didn't even realize until I looked. Extra storage. feast your eyes on this really nice upstairs lounge space. I call it a lounge space. I guess it really depends on the age of the people who'll be using this space. It could be a game room. It's your space. You can put your exercise equipment here. Use it however you want. It's your home. But you'll also find 3 other bedrooms. So you have 2 large bedrooms down this hallway, and I can't wait to get your feedback. Comment and let me know what you think about these closets. Not shabby for secondary bedrooms. And 2 really important features about this bathroom are the separate sinks. You have 2 sinks that should cut down on your daily refereeing between whoever occupies these bedrooms. And then finally, you have an ensuite upstairs. So this could be a guest ensuite, sure, but your guests are temporary. So at some point, this is probably going to be a bedroom for someone who lives there full time. And you would have to decide, maybe make them draw straws, whatever you want to do, flip a coin. You will decide who has earned the privilege of this level of privacy. Now, let's take a pause for our station identification. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And I realize you can find out quite a bit online: bedrooms, baths, square feet, price. But what you may not be able to discover is how people really live their lives in our different communities, cities, and suburbs. Well, that's where I come in. I hop in the car and I drive around so you can have the bird's eye view, VIP access of how people really live their lives. And if you like to be in the know, then you're going to want to subscribe below, press the bell. You'll be notified anytime anything goes down around town. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Now back to the video. If you have to work from home, or you need a secluded study space, well, this is a pretty good one. A nice size office that includes, this could be I wouldn't describe it as a bedroom. This closet isn't quite a closet for a bedroom, but it is a great area for storage and what we may describe as our Texas storm shelter, a place where you can shelter during the storms. And then right around the corner, toward the front of your home, is your downstairs bedroom. So this may be more in line for where you want your guests to sleep, or if you need an extra bedroom, you certainly have it here. And check out the nice size closets, because for some people, the closets, they're just as important than the actual sleeping area. And a nice full bath adjacent to the bedroom. Now check out this wonderful backyard with the covered patio. Now this is Texas, y'all. You're going to want to add a ceiling fan, an outdoor fan, to that covered patio, because when we have our summers have us. So you know what I mean. But this is a little delight, and I'm going to share with you what happened during this tour. Okay, this looks like a sweet little innocent playhouse, clubhouse, and it is pretty. Look at the details. You got a little stonework going here, nice mahogany finish on the door. You open it up, look at the siding. Open it up, and I was really delighted. My children are much older, they're way past this stage. But can you imagine when you were a child to have this kind of hangout? And did you see that exit? They could sneak in. But look, these steps carry you to the slide. Now, here's where the little incident happened. I'm about 5'7.5", so there's some clearance, and I want to be able to show you the height of this space and the depth of this space. And I wanted to hang out here a little longer, just kind of hide out myself, but it was time to go. Now here is the part. Ouch! I bumped my head right there, so you have to remember to stay low. Here is your recap. Pulte offers 5 floor plans, and this home is their largest at 2,765 square feet with the introductory price of $480,990. If this home feels larger than you need and a smaller home is a better fit, you can build a home starting at 1,949 square feet up to 2,765 square feet. And as far as price, the price ranges from $421,900 to $480,900. Remember, price is subject to change. D.R. Horton is going to show you the real meaning of the word storage. I can't wait to get your feedback on what you think about the kitchen and your bath. Let's take a look inside. Ceramic tile flooring comes as a standard in this home in your high traffic areas. Your entryway, your foyer, your bathroom, your kitchen, and your laundry room. But if you really like the way this flooring looks, you can certainly have it. It's just considered an option. And remember, an option is an upgrade. You can have all the options, all the upgrades you want. You just have to pay a little extra for them. Now, this is a nice little treat around the corner, a little stowaway area where you can stash your Costco and your Sam runs. And every now and again, you might want to stash yourself there, just kind of hide away and be undiscovered for additional peace and quiet. Well, let's talk about this kitchen. There's so much storage here. Countertops, cabinets. Wait till you check out the pantry. There's so much storage here. I challenge you, if you choose this plan, to run out of space. Just take a couple of pictures. I may have to come over and check this out for myself. So let's talk more about this design. The design of this kitchen, as far as your countertops, you can have either quartz or granite. It just really depends upon the plan you choose. And the cabinets in this kitchen are 36 inches tall. Comment and let me know just how impressed you are about this layout. Oh, come on, you are. And I'll just let you soak in the rest on your own. Close the door and retreat to your primary suite. What better way to relax after a long day than being somewhere as serene as this? And that luxurious feel spills over into the bath. And notice how much storage you have in here. If you thought the kitchen packed a punch, look at this. So your countertops here are quartz vanity. Now this is actually a large walk-in closet. So the model home has to outfit it with, their samples. So you will see sample flooring, sample countertops, the different types of granite. But just imagine this as your closet. And this is extra linen space. Remember, storage, 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 even in your bath. On the other side, near the front door, other side of the home, is another downstairs bedroom for your guest. This is obviously staged as an office and really, really nice closet space. With a second bedroom downstairs. Well, I guess this is a third one because you have the primary suite. So this is bedroom number 3. And I always like to show you closets so you can have an appreciation of the storage space there, and your hall bath, your downstairs bathroom. Well, look out. You have a teens retreat. Well, some people call it teens retreat. If you're the homeowner, it's your retreat, because it's just a great way to keep all the other people upstairs with all of their noise and all of their fun while you have peace and quiet downstairs. So these are the things. You just store the games, you'll store blankets, you just, extra storage. And down the hallway, you'll find another really large bedroom. And obviously, this is the bath. But I want you to feast your eyes on this space. And I'm telling you, this was probably a queen size bed, maybe a full. But notice you also have space for a couch. And that would probably pull out to make another bed, just in case you have extra guests. You can put something like a sleeper sofa up there, and just look at the size of this room. I was so impressed, and I see a lot of rooms at the space. So you would have to sort out who's going to get this upstairs bedroom, because there's going to be competition. Okay, here's your recap. This home has 2,883 square feet, and maybe this is more house than you need. If so, you may want to consider one of the other plans starting at 1,952 square feet. And of course, it will go all the way up, because this is one of their largest plans, 2,883 square feet. There are 8 plans, so surely one of these will feel like home. As you know, prices are subject to change, but for now, you can purchase a home starting at $414,000, and that's nearly a 2,000 square foot home. And the price can go up to $491,000.
You may be wondering, what is there to do in Justin, Texas? Well, I'm glad you asked.
I'm standing in front of the fun, whimsical, classic Cactus Antique Mall. Across the street is Justin Discount Boots. There's not a lot of extravagant activities here in Justin. This is a small city near big cities. Fort Worth is 33 miles south of Justin, and Dallas is 50 miles southeast of Justin. Denton is much closer to home, only 19 miles away.
Whether this is your first time buying a home or your manyth time, and I realize that is not a word, but my point being is that I can help. And even if you decide to buy a brand new home from a builder, I would be honored to represent you through the process. Whether you're rusty, been a while, or you have bought a home every few years or somewhere in between. In the description section, I have some helpful resources that will refresh your memory or give you some brand new information. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And if you're thinking about Treeline community and you've got it on your short list of places to live and explore, or if you have a question about maybe a different city, community, or suburb, comment below. Grab one of those one-on-one consultation links, one of those Zoom links, so together we can realize which is the best city, community, or suburb for you to create your new memories and call home.